Today I'm going to teach you how to make your timeline 60 FPS in DaVinci Resolve. This is essential if you want smoother motion in your videos or you're working with high frame rate footage that needs to be exported at 60 frames per second. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, you'll need to locate your timeline in the media pool. Click on it to select the timeline you want to work with. This step is important because we're about to create a new version of this timeline with updated frame rate settings. Now right-click anywhere in an empty area of your media pool. From the context menu that appears, click on Create New Timeline using selected clips and bins. This option lets you recreate your timeline with different settings while keeping all your existing clips intact, which saves you from having to rebuild everything from scratch. A dialog box will pop up with several options. Here's where the magic happens. First, uncheck the box that says Use Project Settings. This is crucial because it allows you to customize the frame rate specifically for this timeline without affecting your entire project's default settings. Next, look for the Format section in that same dialog box. Click on it to expand the format options. You'll see a field labeled Timeline Frame Rate. Click on this dropdown and change it to 60. This sets your new timeline to run at 60 frames per second, giving you that smooth, high frame rate output you're looking for. Once you've made this change, click Create to generate your new timeline. Your timeline is now set to 60 FPS, but we need to ensure the settings are properly saved. Look down to the lower right corner of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your timeline settings button. Click on it to open up the detailed timeline configuration. In the settings panel that opens, scan through the options until you find timeline frame rate again. Make sure it's set to 60. This double checks that your frame rate change has been applied correctly. Once you've confirmed it shows 60, click Save to lock in these settings. And that's it. You've successfully changed your DaVinci Resolve timeline to 60 FPS. Your timeline will now play back and export at this higher frame rate, perfect for creating smooth, professional-looking content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.